Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very exciting topic to discuss, the fashion choices of the incredibly stylish and talented actress, Priya Prakash Varier. From her stunning traditional outfits to her glamorous red carpet looks, Priya has always been a fashion inspiration for many. So, let's dive into her fabulous wardrobe and explore her iconic fashion choices. Actress Priya Prakash is truly enjoying her time in the Maldives, giving us all some serious travel envy with her recent vacation. She delighted her followers on social media by sharing a series of stunning photos that perfectly captured the essence of her joyful experience. Standing amidst the sandy beaches, Priya radiated beach-ready vibes, wearing a beautiful lavender-hued bralette adorned with intricate floral patterns. She effortlessly paired it with distressed charcoal black shorts, showcasing her midriff with confidence. Her bright smile and a small red flower tucked behind her hair gave her a charming Hawaiian aura. To complement her look, she carried a vibrant blue sling bag and donned a stylish pair of sunglasses, elegantly tying her hair in a ponytail to keep it intact against the refreshing breeze. The azure skies blending with the rippling waters created a captivating backdrop for her photos. Priya also shared glimpses of her exciting adventures, including a delightful encounter with a school of dolphins. She reveled in the golden hour, marveling at the panoramic views and watching the graceful dolphins swim. Priya's enthusiasm for her exotic getaway to the Maldives was evident in every picture she shared. To convey the essence of the picturesque blue beaches, she playfully added blue-themed emojis such as a wave, a heart, and a whale. With her radiant presence, the actress looked like a breath of fresh air, donning a stunning purple bralette featuring intricate floral designs and a crisscross bag. She completed her captivating ensemble with distressed charcoal black shorts and a pair of transparent rubber slippers nearby. Opting for a natural makeup look, she accentuated her sharp facial features with eyeliner and a shade of dark brown lipstick. Small studded earrings and jet black sunglasses perfectly complemented Priya's beach-ready avatar. She struck alluring poses, flashing a subtle smile while embracing the picturesque scenery of clear blue skies and crystal clear waters that stretched into the distant horizons. Priya's exotic travel getaway to the Maldives truly showcased her love for the water and left a lasting impression on her. Priya Varier has recently captivated the online community with a set of mesmerizing black and white pictures from her latest photoshoot. The netizens are buzzing with excitement as they admire the stunning images. In these captivating photos, Priya exudes confidence while wearing a bikini, perfectly complemented by a stylish netted sarong. Her side-parted wavy hairstyle adds an extra touch of allure, enhancing her already enchanting appearance. The actress mesmerized her fans with a captivating and enchanting photoshoot that left everyone in awe. In the stunning pictures, the actress graced a red sand-colored lehenga and blouse adorned with a beautiful embroidered border. With flowers delicately adorning her hair, she opted for a minimalistic approach to accessories. However, it was the golden jhumkis and the alluring dark lip color that truly stole the spotlight, elevating the entire ethereal look to new heights. Priya has left netizens in awe with her latest ethnic ensemble, showcasing her impeccable style and grace. The young beauty has effortlessly embraced the elegance of a traditional Maharashtrian look, taking the sari game to new heights. In a series of captivating photos, Priya is seen donning a stunning dark brown and pink sari, accentuated by subtle golden zari stripes. The sari perfectly complements her choice of a deep-necked blouse with puff sleeves, exuding a timeless charm. To enhance the overall aura, she adorns her hair with delicate pink roses, adding a touch of femininity to her appearance. Priya further elevates the ensemble with temple gold jewelry, radiating a diva-like aura amidst the natural backdrop. The nose ring and moon-shaped bindi beautifully complement her overall look, completing the mesmerizing ensemble. She looked absolutely sensational in a fiery red cardigan top that tastefully revealed her cleavage, paired with powder pink polka dot pants as showcased in a series of social media photos. The sultry images also highlighted her Carpe Diem tattoo, a Latin phrase symbolizing the importance of seizing the day. To complement her scintillating ensemble, the actress adorned a pair of gold hoop earrings, while leaving her luscious long tresses flowing freely for a more effortlessly natural appearance. Moving on to Priya's casual fashion choices, she knows how to keep it simple yet chic. Here, we see her in a trendy pair of high-waisted jeans and a stylish crop top. She effortlessly combines comfort and style, accessorizing the look with a fashionable belt and a pair of trendy sneakers. The actress shows us that even casual outfits can make a statement when done right. Let's talk about Priya's glamorous red carpet appearances. Whenever she steps onto the red carpet, all eyes are on her. Here, we see her in a stunning floor-length gown. The gown perfectly accentuates her figure, and the intricate embellishments add a touch of sparkle. She knows how to choose the right colors that complement her skin tone and enhance her natural beauty. Her confidence and grace on the red carpet truly make her a fashion icon. The actress known as the Winged Girl exudes absolute radiance in her latest picture, captivating viewer with her undeniable allure. Taking to social media, the stunning actress shared a mesmerizing snapshot, showcasing her beauty in an elegant over-shoulder gown. Opting for a shimmery ensemble that perfectly complements her style, Priya completes her look with matching boots, adding an extra touch of glamour. With her sleek hair elegantly styled in a braid, she exudes a sense of sophistication. Not only does Priya captivate with her stunning appearance, but she also exudes confidence that is truly mesmerizing. It's impossible to tear our eyes away from her captivating presence. The talented actress shared a set of captivating photos, showcasing her in a sleeveless beige-colored short dress that featured a plunging V neckline. It's undeniable that she looked absolutely stunning in this ensemble. Embracing a nude makeup look, she let her natural beauty shine through, while allowing her tresses to gracefully cascade down. Posing elegantly in a chair, Priya exudes confidence as she connects with the camera. Her post quickly became a viral sensation on social media, attracting an outpouring of love from users in the comments section. Many admirers praised her for being gorgeous, classy, sexy, and beautiful, expressing their adoration with heartwarming comments and a multitude of emojis. Apart from her traditional, casual, and red carpet looks, Priya isn't afraid to experiment with her fashion choices. In the scene, we see her in a unique and edgy ensemble. She effortlessly pulls off this daring look, combining different textures and patterns. Priya's willingness to step out of her comfort zone and try new things truly makes her a trendsetter in the fashion world. Let's talk about Priya's street style looks. Even during her casual outings, she manages to turn heads with her effortlessly cool ensembles. She knows how to mix and match different pieces to create a unique and edgy look. Whether it's a leather jacket paired with ripped jeans or a graphic t-shirt with a plaid skirt, the actress knows how to make a fashion statement on the streets. Her attention to detail, from the choice of accessories to the perfect balance of colors, showcases her fashion prowess even in casual settings. One aspect that sets Priya Varia apart is her ability to seamlessly blend traditional and modern elements. In the scene, we see her embracing the ethereal fusion of contemporary and traditional fashion. Priya effortlessly combines traditional silhouettes with contemporary fabrics, creating a captivating and mesmerizing look. The fusion of textures, colors, and prints in her outfits exudes a sense of elegance and individuality. She proves that embracing both traditional and modern elements can result in breathtaking fashion moments. The actress knows how to exude effortless glam. Whether she's attending a high-profile event or simply stepping out for a night on the town, she manages to look effortlessly glamorous. From figure-flattering silhouettes to luxurious fabrics and statement accessories, Priya's choices scream sophistication and glamour. Her impeccable makeup and hairstyle choices complete the overall glamorous look. Priya proves that glamour doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes, all it takes is a well-structured outfit and a confident attitude. In her recent post, she astounded the online world with her unparalleled simplicity. The actress effortlessly captivated attention as she donned a classic white sari and blouse adorned with a delicate golden border. Enhancing her traditional look, she adorned a vibrant red bindi on her forehead and opted for minimal accessories, allowing the elegance of her ensemble to take center stage. Let's take a look at Priya Varia's airport fashion, where she effortlessly combines comfort and style. Even during her travels, Priya manages to make a fashion statement. Whether it's a trendy oversized jacket paired with denim or a cozy sweater dress with boots, Priya's airport looks are always on point. She understands the importance of practicality while still maintaining her impeccable sense of style. Her airport fashion is a great source of inspiration for those looking to stay fashionable while on the go. Just a few days ago, she caused a sensation on the internet by sharing a couple of photos in a breathtaking traditional attire. She effortlessly stole the spotlight as she graced a royal blue silk sari adorned with intricate golden details and a mesmerizing maroon border. Her presence exuded sheer diva-like charm. To complement her regal look, the actress opted for opulent traditional jewelry, including 2 magnificent neckpieces, matching earrings, bangles, and an exquisite statement ring. She embraced a glamorous makeup look, accentuating her eyes with smoky shades and opting for a subtle nude lip color. Her hair was elegantly styled in a bun, perfectly showcasing the ornate mathapati, mangtika, and a striking black bindi that completed her enchanting ensemble. The actress consistently treats her fans with new and exciting content on her social media platform. Recently, she delighted her followers by sharing a set of captivating pictures that undoubtedly made them lose sleep. In these particular photos, she embraced a vibrant yellow sari paired with a striking red blouse. The sleeveless design and scoop neckline of her blouse added a modern touch to her traditional attire. To enhance her overall look, the actress accessorized with statement earrings and a beautiful gold locket. She left her hair flowing freely with a middle part, while her makeup featured mesmerizing eyeliners and a subtle nude lip shade, completing her stunning appearance. The diva took to social media today, posting a series of amazing photos. She adorned herself in a traditional sari adorned with pink and orange floral embroidery, complemented by a sleeveless blouse. Opting for a more natural makeup look, she skipped the earrings, allowing a golden chain with 3 stone pendants to take center stage. Her open haircut added a touch of elegance to her overall ensemble. Her entire appearance exuded sheer beauty and grace. It is evident that Priya was fully immersed in the tranquil scenery of nature, showcasing her flawless winter glow in these photos. Additionally, she chose a stunning yellow sari with embellishments, paired with a pink sleeveless top featuring golden embroidery. To complete the look, she opted for rosy cheeks, dewy cold eyes, and straight, sleek hair. Alongside these captivating pictures, Priya shared various emoticons as captions, adding a playful touch to her social media post. When it comes to ethnic wear, Priya's fashion choices are nothing short of stunning. She knows how to effortlessly carry traditional outfits and bring out their true essence. From intricately embellished lehengas to elegant anarkalis, Priya's ethnic wardrobe reflects her sartorial confidence. She pays attention to intricate details like embroidery, fabric choice, and color combinations, which make her ethnic looks stand out. She truly embodies grace and elegance in every traditional outfit she adorns. Priya's casual wear choices are always on trend and fashion forward. Whether she's spotted in a chic jumpsuit or a stylish off-shoulder top, she knows how to make casual outfits look effortlessly fashionable. Priya's casual wear is characterized by clean lines, modern silhouettes, and a touch of playfulness. She often incorporates trendy elements like statement sleeves, bold prints, or unique cuts that elevate her overall look. Priya's casual fashion choices serve as inspiration for those seeking to infuse their everyday outfits with a touch of style. No discussion about Priya Prakash Varia's fashion choices would be complete without mentioning her mesmerizing red carpet looks. When she steps onto the red carpet, she exudes elegance, glamour, and sophistication. Priya's red carpet fashion is all about making a statement. She effortlessly dons figure-flattering gowns with intricate detailing, plunging necklines, or dramatic silhouettes. Her red carpet choices often feature luxurious fabrics, sparkling embellishments, and impeccable tailoring. She knows how to capture everyone's attention and leave a lasting impression with her red carpet ensembles. The actress took to social media to share a series of pictures from the movie promotions. Dressed in a mesmerizing blue anarkali designed by Shireen Shahana, she looked absolutely stunning. This particular ensemble is a part of the designer's Bulbul collection and features a delightful floral print with ivory vines and intricate motifs adorning its entirety. The anarkali is further enhanced with the addition of multicolored stones and bugle beads, creating a captivating visual effect. Accompanying the outfit is a sheer dupatta adorned with exquisite stonework. Priya's choice of jewelry included a pair of stone-studded emerald earrings and a ring from pure allure, perfectly complementing the overall look. She opted for a low-tied ponytail, adorned with a bindi, while her makeup showcased winged eyeliner and a nude matte lip color, further elevating her enchanting appearance. Let's take a moment to appreciate the fashion evolution of Priya Prakash Varia. From her debut to the present, she has showcased remarkable growth and experimentation in her style. In the early days of her career, the actress was known for her fresh and youthful style. She embraced vibrant colors, playful patterns, and trendy silhouettes that resonated with her young fan base. As she progressed, we witnessed her evolving into a fashion maven, embracing elegance, sophistication, and versatility. Priya's fashion choices have evolved from youthful and experimental to refined and timeless. She has developed a keen eye for selecting outfits that not only showcase her beauty but also reflect her personal growth as an artist. Apart from her individual style, Priya Prakash has also collaborated with renowned fashion brands and graced the covers of prominent magazines. These collaborations have allowed her to push fashion boundaries and explore new horizons. Through these partnerships, Priya has demonstrated her versatility and ability to adapt to different fashion aesthetics while staying true to her unique sense of style. Her presence in the fashion industry continues to inspire and influence both fans and aspiring fashion enthusiasts. With her impeccable fashion choices and stunning red carpet appearances, Priya has undoubtedly earned her place as a fashion icon. She has captivated the hearts of fans and fashion enthusiasts alike with her ability to effortlessly embrace various styles. Priya's fashion choices are not only admired for their aesthetic appeal but also for the confidence and grace with which she carries herself. Her dedication to fashion and willingness to experiment have solidified her status as a trendsetter in the industry. Apart from her stylish outfits, Priya Prakash also knows how to rock the athleisure trend. She effortlessly combines fashion and fitness, showcasing her dedication to a healthy lifestyle. Priya's athleisure looks are a perfect blend of comfort and style. She chooses trendy workout gear that not only allows freedom of movement but also reflects her fashion-forward sensibilities. Whether it's a chic sports bra paired with high-waisted leggings or a matching set with vibrant patterns, Priya proves that you can look fashionable even during your fitness routine. In addition to her stunning fashion choices, the actress is also known for using her platform to support various causes and raise awareness. She often uses her fashion influence to make a statement. From wearing outfits that promote gender equality to supporting sustainable fashion initiatives, Priya uses fashion as a medium to amplify important messages. Her commitment to using her influence for a greater purpose is truly inspiring and showcases her dedication to making a positive impact. The actress is a trailblazer when it comes to redefining beauty standards. She embraces her natural beauty and encourages others to do the same. Priya's fashion choices often highlight her natural features with minimal makeup and effortless hairstyles. By showcasing her authenticity and embracing her individuality, she sends a powerful message that beauty comes in all forms and should be celebrated. Let's take a moment to draw inspiration from Priya Warrior as a style icon. Her fashion choices have influenced many, and we can learn a lot from her impeccable sense of style. Priya's style is characterized by elegance, confidence, and a touch of playfulness. Here are a few key elements that define her fashion choices. She pays great attention to detail, whether it's through intricate embroidery on ethnic wear or selecting unique accessories to complement her outfits. Her meticulousness in styling makes her look stand out. One of the most inspiring aspects of Priya's style is the confidence with which she carries herself. She embraces her individuality and is unafraid to take fashion risks, making her fashion choices truly her own. The actress understands the importance of balance in fashion. Whether it's balancing bold statement pieces with simpler elements or mixing different textures and patterns, she creates harmonious and well put together looks. In a striking fashion choice, Priya Prakash selected a vibrant chili red lehenga that left everyone in awe. Her captivating three-piece ensemble featured a solid red lehenga adorned with intricate gold batti work and a resplendent gold border. Paired with the lehenga was a sleeveless solid blouse, perfectly complemented by a brocade silk dupatta embellished with magnificent gold zari work throughout. Priya's look serves as an exemplary inspiration on how to style solid ethnic wear with an opulent silk dupatta. Opting for a distinctive appearance, she adorned herself with statement jewelry pieces and styled her hair in a unique manner. Choosing to go without earrings, she opted for a stunning pearls emerald choker neckpiece, along with statement bangles and rings. She elegantly tied her hair in a middle-parted messy bun, adorned with vibrant yellow and red roses that exuded a charming retro beauty vibe. Completing her enchanting look, she enhanced her features with red lips, a red bindi, and delicately applied blush highlights. Priya often incorporates statement pieces into her outfits, whether it's a bold jacket, a unique accessory, or a vibrant pattern. Look for standout pieces that reflect your personality and can become the focal point of your look. The actress isn't afraid to play with color. Priya's outfits are known for their flattering silhouettes. Pay attention to the cuts and shapes that suit your body type and enhance your best features. Opt for well-fitted pieces that accentuate your curves or create a sleek silhouette. Priya seamlessly blends high-end designer pieces with more affordable fashion finds. Look for ways to mix high and low fashion to create a balanced and unique look. Priya's accessories are always carefully selected and add an extra touch of style to her outfits. Priya, the talented actress, graced the event in an exquisite red silk sari, leaving us completely spellbound. The richly hued sari exuded its magnificence through a plethora of embellishments, including intricate zari butters adorning the body and hand embroidery gracefully adorning the hemline. The pallu seamlessly incorporated these captivating details and was elegantly paired with a contrasting green blouse adorned in a similar fashion. Priya's choice of jewelry was equally remarkable, featuring a pair of antique gold earrings, a collection of rings, bangles, and a stunning mangtika. Furthermore, we couldn't help but admire her ivory sequined potli, adding a touch of sophistication to her ensemble. With a gajra-adorned bun, a bindi enhancing her forehead, contoured cheeks, kohl-rimmed eyes, and a nude lip shade, the actress' beauty was truly accentuated to perfection. As we wrap up our exploration of Priya Prakash Warrior's fashion choices, let's take a moment to speculate on what the future holds for her in the fashion world. She may delve further into the world of fashion by collaborating with designers, launching her own fashion line, or becoming a brand ambassador for renowned fashion brands. Her keen eye for style and ability to set trends make her a natural fit for such ventures. Whether it's embracing edgier styles, delving into sustainable fashion, or exploring international fashion trends, Priya's fashion choices are bound to captivate us. Beyond her personal fashion choices, Priya Prakash Warrior's impact on the fashion community is significant. She has become an inspiration for young designers, fashion enthusiasts, and aspiring models. Priya's influence extends beyond her own style. She is also known for supporting emerging designers and promoting diverse voices in the fashion industry. Her presence has undoubtedly created more opportunities and opened doors for aspiring talent. As she continues to make her mark, Priya will likely use her platform to advocate for inclusivity, sustainability, and positive change within the fashion world. Her commitment to social causes and her influence will help shape the industry's future. And that brings us to the end of our exploration of Priya Prakash Varia's iconic fashion choices. From traditional elegance to casual chic, glamorous red carpet looks, and experimental fashion, Priya knows how to make a statement with her impeccable style. We hope you enjoyed this journey through her fabulous wardrobe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.